Hello. As you may already know, due to supply chain issues, there's an industry-wide shortage of grease gun cartridges. Today we're here to explain an alternate method, bulk filling from a manual pail or drum pump. With the right equipment, the process is efficient and easy and only takes a few seconds to fill a grease gun.
Our good friends at Graco have provided us with these manually operated bulk dispensing pump packages that have the bulk fill adapters necessary that you see here to fill Graco lever and pistol grease guns equipped with bulk loader valves that you see here. Note, these Graco pump packages also come with follower plates, which help prevent cavitation and increase the amount of grease that can be dispensed from the pail or keg.
Today we have a pail of Lubriplate Sin Extreme FG 2/220 and a keg of LTR-2 for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we'll pump from the pail, but the process is the same for the 120-pound keg. The part numbers for your favorite Lubriplate products will have the same prefix, only instead of -098 for a cartridge, you would order -035 for a pail of grease or -039 for a 120-pound keg of grease.
We've already done this for today's video, but the first thing you'll want to do is to make sure that the gun is set up for bulk filling by flipping the wiper follower edges so they face the dispensing end of the grease gun, or by removing and flipping over the plunger entirely, depending on your specific grease gun make and model. This is necessary when the grease gun is normally set up for using cartridges, and these Graco grease guns can accept cartridges as well. Next, using a clean rag, clean off the fittings on both the pump as well as the grease gun. This will help prevent contaminants from being introduced into the grease and eventually your bearings. Now, insert the bulk loading valve on the grease gun into the filler adapter on your pail or keg pump. One of the advantages these Graco guns have is that their bulk filling adapters are a bit larger than some others, making them easier and faster to fill than some other models. Make sure you have matching filling adapters on your grease guns and grease pumps before beginning. Slowly pump the grease into the grease gun. Grease guns filled this way typically do not have air pockets in them as they will with cartridge loading, but it is good to check. If you have an air bleeder valve, as this Graco grease gun does, you can get rid of any air pockets by applying pressure to the plunger rod, which adds additional force to expel any air out of the bleeder valve. If your grease gun does not have an air bleeder valve, loosen the grease gun head a couple of turns and do the same procedure. Once complete, on this Graco grease gun, you would simply pull back on the plunger rod slightly and use the unlocking tab at the bottom, which will then allow you to slide the rod back into the gun. Other models may require you to twist the rod to disengage it from the plunger before sliding it back in. Either way, make sure you retighten the head once you have the grease coming out of the grease gun.
Remember to take proper safety precautions when dealing with grease guns, as they deliver grease at nearly 10,000 psi. Thank you to our friends at Graco for the use of their equipment, which is available through their network of dealers, and more information is available on their website at www.graco.com.
As always, if you have any additional questions about Lubriplate products available in bulk, please do not hesitate to go to our website, lubriplate.com, email us at lubexpert@lubriplate.com, or contact your local Lubriplate district manager for more information. Thank you for choosing Lubriplate lubricants.